This is a skills video for making an open bed. First, assemble the equipment and supplies.
So we have our fitted sheet, our draw sheet, our chuck, our top sheet, and we have our blanket.
Then use alcohol-based hand rub for hand hygiene and put on non-latex gloves. Greet the patient and introduce yourself.
Hello, Alyssa. My name is Valentina, and this is Lala, and I'll be your nurses today.
Explain the skill and provided privacy.
So we're going to be changing your bed sheets, and we'll go ahead and remove the curtain for patient privacy.
And arrange the linens on a chair in the order in which they will be used. Lower the headrest and footrest to a flat position and adjust the bed to an appropriate height, as well as lock the wheels.
Okay, the wheels are locked. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is grab this bath blanket here and put it over our patient in order to protect privacy. And then while the bath blanket is on her, we're going to go ahead and remove the top sheet on the blanket. We're going to move it all the way down to the bottom. And then we're going to remove the bath blanket. And Nurse Lala is going to grab the draw sheet, tighten it, and use it to roll over our patient, and I'll go ahead and roll her. And then Nurse Lala is going to take off the soiled sheets. Then we're going to roll her back down. Okay, wait, pause. And then Nurse Lala is going to put the soiled sheets underneath the patient, that way it doesn't unroll. And she's going to begin making the new sheets by first putting the fitted sheet on. Then after the fitted sheet, okay, we can just pause it. So after we've removed the soiled sheets and put them under the patient, Nurse Lala is going to start making the new bed with the clean sheets. So she's already put on the fitted sheet, and all the sheets are going to go on halfway. And next she's going to put on the top or the draw sheet. And we're going to fold the draw sheet hamburger style. We're going to lay it over just like that. And we're going to bunch it up and meet it in the middle. Then next we're going to put the chuck on. That way if the patient has any accidents, it'll all be absorbed. And we're going to put this on hamburger style and lay it halfway. Oh, there you go. And then what we're going to do is put the clean sheets underneath the patient. I'm going to grab the other side of the draw sheet. And then you're going to, Nurse Lala is going to roll the patient back over here. So we're going to roll her on this side. And then I'm going to roll her up like that with the draw sheets. And then gonna remove the rest of the soiled sheets. We're going to place them in the hamper. And then I'm going to pull the fitted sheet and all the other halfway folded sheets onto the other side. And then we're gonna pull, and then we're gonna take the top or the top sheet, and then we're gonna put the other side down over the patient. And then we're gonna take the blanket and unfold it. Make sure that all the covers are covering the patient properly. And that is it.